primetime news this evening, Transport Authority talks tough against bus and taxi operators who overcharge commuters. National Water Commission staff restive, but is it over wages or the Commission's leadership? And where are they coming from? The question being asked as more ganja-laced snacks emerge on the underground market.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and those online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, we're heading to Portmore this evening. The brand new Courts location has been officially opened, so I'll have the details a little later.
Thank you, Keys. And Spencer Darlington has a preview of Primetime Sports.
Thank you, Archie. Well, the incumbent Michael Ricketts is confident about staving off a challenge for the presidency of the JFF. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
So here's a question a lot of people have been asking. Long weekend, will it rain?
It better be good weather. So what's the answer?
Well, for the holiday period coming up, we are expecting those same dry conditions that we have been seeing over the past few days. A few showers are expected in the afternoon on Tuesday. And as we move into Wednesday, we're expecting another increase in shower activity across most of the island.
I feel like he causes the bad weather at this point.
Yeah.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what do you believe should be added, or rather, who do you believe should be added to the list of national heroes and why?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and you can tweet us as well at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.